Imagine a world where continents weren't fixed, but constantly shifting and changing. A world where vast, lush lands were swallowed by the sea, leaving behind only mysterious remnants. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating story of Earth's lost continents. The key to understanding Earth's changing continents lies in plate tectonics. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle, with pieces slowly moving and colliding. This movement has shaped our planet's continents over billions of years. For centuries, legends have spoken of lost continents. Atlantis, Lemuria, and Zealandia are just a few of the mythical lands that have captured our imagination. But are these merely myths, or do they hold a grain of truth? One of the most recent and significant discoveries is Zealandia, a submerged continent hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. Despite being mostly underwater, Zealandia meets all the geological criteria for a continent. Zealandia is just one example of a lost continent. There's evidence to suggest that other land masses may have also existed in the past, such as Greater Adria and Mauritia. The discovery of lost continents has profound implications for our understanding of Earth's history. These submerged lands may have played a crucial role in shaping our planet's climate, biodiversity, and even the course of human civilization. As our exploration of the Earth's geological past continues, we may uncover even more secrets hidden beneath the waves. The story of Earth's lost continents is a fascinating reminder of our planet's ever-changing nature.